Greetings. Okay, so today we are going to talk about when the thief in Guyanese boy Wally thief my truck. Yeah? When the thief in Guyanese boy Wally stole my truck. It was 2018, late. My truck is giving me some trouble. That truck take everything from me each time. That truck give me a hard time. As soon as I replace something, I have to replace something else. Talking about in the turbo, $5,000, costing me over. But each time I change something telling me that, everything on it is fairly new or recently changed, so it should be good now. So I keep spending and spending. 6 years I've been spending on that truck. Right? It's a 205 International 5-ton box body. See? So I check up Kijiji. I was actually looking for a truck to buy. Because I'm saying this truck is giving me too much trouble. And I see these ads where this guy claim that he fix all model trucks. And something else catch me, I don't remember. But I called him up. And he said I should bring the truck home. I brought the truck there. He charged me, I think he charged me $1,300 or something dollars. Change the engine. He said the engine went. And he's gonna change the engine. I think I gave him $2,500 first as down payment to go change the engine. He told me I would get it back at a certain time, like a 2-week period. Right? I have to rent a vehicle during that time to continue my contract. As soon as I gave the money, he pulled the truck down. Pull it down, the parts all over the garage. Get back there, asked for some more money. I give him, he ended up having me sweating because it take him more than the 2 weeks to get the truck together. When he get the truck together, give the truck to me. Truck didn't reach by where I'm parking the truck before breakdown. His son was behind me to go get some more money or something. So I had to call him to get tow truck to come tow the truck off the road, bring it back to the garage. Yeah. He did something, I pick up the truck again, take it to the east end on my way back. The truck just slow, get lazy as soon as it get heat up. I have to exit off the highway and take side road, take time come in. So by this time, him charged me $1,400. 14,000. Right, I'm talking about. $14,000 and something, right? And by this time, he got like 10,000, if I can remember well. But as gone to him, I owe him 4,000. Right? And at this stage, I couldn't bring the truck back to him because he had the truck for over a month now, and the issue have not been resolved. So I decided to take the truck to another mechanic who I have been familiar with before I took it to him. Mechanic started working on the truck. They discovered that he break the timing plate. It's a big round plate. Don't know if I can find it. I think I threw out some of those papers the other day, but he break the timing plate. crack the timing plate. So the truck had no power after it got heat up. So it cost me another $9,000 to get the truck up and going. During that time, there's the Somalian who is a partner with this Jamaican who is working on the truck at this particular garage. Right? So the Somalian said he have a truck just like that, just like my truck. He's selling the truck. Actually, while they were working on my truck, they rent me, Somalian rent me the truck he's mentioning that looks like my truck. That's a 83 International. The only difference is my truck was hair brakes and the Somalian truck was hydraulics. So I've been driving the Somalian truck. He rented me while they're working on my truck. So I have to be paying for the truck, paying for the rental, and paying. So when the truck finish, you know, so I park the truck. I park the truck, and Wally can come key for the truck, virgin. $9,000 I have to pay, but them don't pay the people them yet. $9,000 I have to pay to rectify what him do. Right? And him not finish the work where him wreck the truck by bursting. It seems like he tightened up something too tight and burst the timing plate. Right? And as soon as we get the truck back, the man come thief for the truck. I'm out of the yard. See? So now, up and down I try to get my truck, but if I find out it come like say, it's a scheme to make me lose my work, because I have to have a truck for my work for fulfill my contract. And anyhow, I fight for the man and lend me, they still rate me back the truck where I have while I fix that one. Somalian decided to sell me the truck now. Somalian decided to sell me the truck for $5,000. Right? So I work and I pay them the $9,000 when I owe them to fix that truck, and I pay them and the $5,000 for this truck. So they give me the truck now, so I have to be paying the insurance for the truck while I was driving it, while it was rented to me, and I have to be paying on the truck. But right now, the Jamaican never please said the Somalian sell me the truck for $5,000. Come like him did want him to charge me more. So him start to show me some bad face. Him start to go on some ways. Even though him owe me $500 because the tailpipe on the truck was supposed to be replaced. No, there was none on it. It was supposed to be placed, and he charged for it, and he didn't put it on. And when him see me on the road and shout me, I pull over and stoplight, and I say, what happened to the muffler? Him say, I get one where they am a gateway. That's what the Jamaican said to me. He got one that he charged me for, and he gave it away. So I say, alright. So I no bother go back in place, I no bother have nothing to do with him. See? So Wally can thief my truck, say me owe him $4,000 after I mess up my truck. See? So then now me say me a sue Wally can go to one Jewish boy. The boy tear off $2,000 off of me. No, serious. Boy tear off $2,000 off of me and I say him go try to serve Wally can and he can't find Wally can, so he more need some more money. Yeah? Now if you run in front of him now, find one African boy now. Find one African boy upon Western Road there. Him a not even lawyer, him a what you call it? Paralegal. See? The boy tear off almost $3,000 off of me before you find out. Then him claim say him get Wally can serve. Him find another garage where Wally can own. Place where Wally can bought my truck. It wasn't his official garage. It was another garage where he's doing some illegal activities. The man, when you find out, me and the man got the courthouse, the secretary said the paper that he is presenting is not authentic. The paper that he claims that the person, the Jamaican who he paid to serve Wally Khan, have Wally Khan sign. The paper is not authentic. Is not an official. Is not an original signature. So everybody a pull my leg. Everybody a drive me around, and I tear off my food. See? Yeah. So I decide I'm gonna fight it. But then when I realize, I just let it go because that truck was breeding me for 6 years. And the truck that I got from the Somalian, I still have it. And it's 6 years ago, that's 2024 right now, and that was 2018. So 6 years ago, and this truck is 2 years older than that one that Wally Khan stole, but this truck did me a lot better. That truck took, as soon as I make a money, that truck tear it off of me. And I can tell you, this truck drives better and everything, and it broke down as half the how that one was. But what may I say, people are unfair. So Wally could come like him have a scheme with the tow truck company and all them. See? The tow truck company. Because when they tow away the truck, bring it to the pound. By the time I call the pound, them say somebody come and pay for the truck and take the truck already from the pound. So he tow it away to the pound and then him go pay a fee and get it back out of the pound. Thief my truck. And when I call about the pound, when I call to find out if the truck, them say the truck is there, but nobody cannot get the truck without the ownership, the rightful owner. So I say, alright. By the time if you go for the truck, them will tell me, say, somebody, and then I can't tell me who, come and pay for the truck and get the truck. So me have to have, that's why I get the African boy now, the paralegal boy now. See? And him pull my leg same way. So I have to just cut all those losses, leave it alone, let the truck go on. But Wally Khan from Guyana, you're going to lose your office. And all of you see them are going to perish. And nobody do me nothing bad and get away.